Hello everyone, this is Siddharth here. Today we'll be discussing this last week's contest. First question, the contest number was 313 I believe, so yeah, that's its first question, number of common factors. So we're given two numbers and we need to come up with the number of common factors of A and B. So yeah, that's an easy question, I would say. One thing we can do is we can just go through all the elements since the very first natural number, and we can go till the smaller number among the very two of these, and we can count as to how many numbers that we are able to divide. Another thing that I can come up with is I can calculate the highest common factor between the two of these. So yeah, after I'll be done calculating that, then I just need to check as to how many factors my highest common factor has. So that will equate to the same answer, because if I were to calculate the HCF of 6 and 12, so that would be 6 itself, and yeah, 6 has a total factors of 4. In this given problem I can come up with the HCF being 5 of 25 and 30, and I can find out that the given factors of 5 are 5 and 1. So yeah, that would make it a bit more easy. So all I need to do is I need to find the HCF, and that can be done as, or you can write it out in your own way. So yeah, that can be done recursively as well. And after I'm done doing this, I just need to go through all the elements till my given number HCF. I'll also have a resultant number here. So if my HCF when divided by the ith value equates to a 0 remainder, then I will increment my result and I'll just return my result. Let's see if that's working fine. Let's submit it, and it's working perfectly fine. So I hope you guys understood the solution. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.